under recording.
Now it is coming.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
sorry.
Now it is okay. Yeah.
Now, thank you. So, first one, shall I repeat again? Could you hear me?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, very heavy rain. So, we were little worried about that. Okay.
Yes, heavy rain.
So, first,
Radhika,
are you able to?
Radhika teacher.
Yes.
Radhika, ask everybody to mute when they want. Ask them to speak. Sound is coming.
You teachers.
Lot of
Okay. So, here, first point, soil. Please, you ask them to make soil and you can have good collection for few weeks at least. Okay. Next one, different farming methods you can plan in the classroom situation. Next one, use videos, pictures related to different resources. Fourth one is asked to read different books, autobiographies, biographies, stories, which is real life situations giving to connected to the lesson. Fifth one, you raise questions in the class. You no need to raise. As soon as you enter, they will come forward with so many doubts. Please encourage them. Please keep 4 to 10 minutes with them and clarify their doubts. Any small issue takes place also, they would like to share with especially social science teacher. So please be very open to them. Please encourage them. Please discuss with them more than learning question answers and other activities. This is also needed very much to make connectivity to the life as well as our surroundings. Even online class, they will be eagerly waiting for you to discuss about heavy rain. Okay, whatever the newspaper says, whatever news they hear. So you ask them to read newspaper before they come to the school, at least headlines. So that way you can make them very much involved and linked and connected to the subject. Please make it. Now, anybody else would like to interact any point here? Next 5, then I can go.
Namaste, Miss. I'm
Yes.
Shanvaga Priya from DAV Velacheri. Actually, children, more than the subject, they will be very eager to learn about current affairs. They like movies and other things. So if we can connect our topics to movies, they will be able to remember the concept better. For example, 6th standard, whenever we ask, the first topic is, why should we study history? Everyone feels, ma'am, whatever has happened in the past, why we need to study about that? So the first question I ask is, how many of you watch Avengers movies? Everyone likes Avengers movies. We have various movies in that. So I will just ask a person who has not seen an Avengers movie. In a class of 40, maybe 5 or 10 may not be interested. I will ask them, today I want you to watch Infinity War and tell me what has happened. So, or I sometimes I even show clippings. They will not be able to understand anything. Why? Others will say, ma'am, he has not watched the previous parts. Only if they watch the previous 10 or 12 movies, they will be able to understand what is happening in Infinity War or later on in Endgame. So, what will this point, the students themselves will say, ma'am, whatever happened in the past, only if we know, we will be able to plan for what is present and how we can defeat Thanos in future. So this is exactly how history is also. So if you want to plan what you want to do today, how you want your country or your life to be in future, you need to understand what all happened in the past. Likewise, for everything, we need to be updated with the current affairs. Any movie, IPL. So what happened in everything, we need to be on par. Any controversy that is happening. So everything, maybe not politically, but all those things as and when we talk about the early kingdoms and all, Padmavat movie will surely be discussed in the class. So what was the type? So what will happen is when we connect this, students will be able to remember both the film and the concept. So our work is to make them remember the concept, that will also be served. So as a teacher, it is very important that we also know movies, sports, advertisements, all those things. For advertising and all, the whole lesson we will be able to finish when I will just divide the class into 3 groups. So you are going to, one group will be asked to make an advertisement for creating Amitabh Bachchan comes and says every time, you have to, tomorrow is polio day, you go and do it. Then one more, so you divide it and ask them, you copy this advertisement, you copy this advertisement. After that, what was it about? Everything. You discuss it with them in the class. The lesson, it's the children on their own will be telling us the concept. So this is the lesson about. Then they will develop curiosity to read what is there in that lesson. Yes, ma'am, this is what is there in the book. Ah, I understood. Like that, they will enjoy. So this is something I do regularly in my class.
Yeah, I agree with
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We
Now,
say
Madam, we
one
can
ex-
connect the
yes,
also,
one
madam.
example, Radhika ma'am, I want to share.
yeah,
What now Shanmuga Priya ma'am shared, na, same thing we are also doing. Each and every concept we can connect to the real life, the current affairs actually. Okay, and recently what we discussed, judiciary lesson we discussed. So we can connect it to the present topics, like it may be Citizenship Act bill or Ayodhya case, whatever it is, we can connect. And sixth class is concerned, I used to tell this Bahubali, they like this movie very well. So what we did, title song, they will show one river. Along with the river, countries' names they will show. So we can connect this. Why these countries are showing along with the river stream? Then we can connect it to the topic that civilizations flourished generally at the river banks. So in that way, we can connect the topic to the civilization.
Because the
lesson.
water sources. madam.
Yeah, water sources. So why it is? Why in the map, in the title song, why in the map, the countries are near the rivers, river banks. So if you put question, then immediately they'll connect, okay, all the countries those days flourished at the river banks for the source of water. So this way we can connect everything, what ma'am said, exactly we are doing the same in the class. Then only children will get the interest in that topic. The textbook content they don't like actually.
very
Thank you.
good,
Yeah.
Usha, teacher.
Very nice, Usha. I
Thank you,
agree. I think all have seen Chalk and
Madam,
Duster
we can
movie.
conduct the quiz also, madam.
Yes, sir.
All have seen Chalk and Duster movie. There Shabana Azmi did like that only. She was thrown out of the school. That movie, Chalk and Duster movie. That movie gives this only method of teaching.
Now, Shastri sir was saying something.
Madam, we can conduct the quiz, madam. That is one idea. With you can show the picture, different pictures. And a history problem that the children will forget. So chronological order, we can put the picture and we can ask them questions. They will enjoy it. That is an advantage.
Very good.
And one more movie came, madam, one Tamil dubbing movie, Shakti something. It is very good movie. We can suggest some movies to children so that they will get the enthusiasm. Whenever they're free, they can get the history from that particular movie also. That's all one way of motivating the children. What I feel.
Yeah, gender discrimination recently, class 7, I believe. Gunjan
Yes, ma'am.
Saxena movie. Gunjan Saxena movie
Yes,
is very
it is there.
interesting. Yeah, they can easily
See the
understand how
Dangal, madam.
gender discrimination is shown. That way we
Yes,
can
Dangal
connect.
movie, see, this is also a discrimination movie about girl
Yes,
child.
yes,
And like that, it is some motivation. It will help them to
yes, sir.
respect the woman. Okay.
Very good. Now, sixth one, his visit to historical places, monuments, etc. will motivate them. They will enjoy the trip. One outing is also needed during this academic, but at present we will not suggest. Next one, mock election gives very clear idea about how our other elections will take place. You can follow the same procedure of elections. So you can make election committee, how they rule. That is also good guidance as well as motivation as well as involvement giving to students. Next one, carry out awareness campaign. Once or twice, you please take them out to campaign for this awareness. Okay. In society, water proper distribution or interrupted electricity, any such burning topics are there. Please take them for outside awareness campaign. They will be really interested to do that. Ninth one, screen and discuss movie. That just now you all were telling. I am Kalam, Hindi, that 2011. This is also another movie which we can show to them. Next one, Take newspaper cuttings to discuss about the law implementation. We know everyday newspaper with a lot of burning topics and law implementation. Whatever it is there, this is also a good aid for them. So now already 2:40. Let us discuss about what is the new question paper pattern. Okay. Now
Ma'am,
here
Radhika
we
ma'am,
know.
small request, ma'am. Radhika ma'am,
Yes.
please tell all the teachers to fill the feedback form, ma'am. Link is posted in chat box.
Okay. Okay. Please fill the
Yeah, ma'am.
feedback book form. Last 5 minutes you can do. Let us discuss about the question paper. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
ma'am?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. So here this year we have seen 8th class. You might have gone through the model paper. 6, 7 teachers also, those who are not handling 8th class, please go through that because it gives a clear-cut idea about how can we set. Okay, as 8th class, lightly some changes can be done, but most probably we follow the 8th pattern. We should discuss with the principal ma'am concerned all schools, please. But we should have idea about how high school, how we do. Okay, 6th, 7th, 8th, and go together. Please see that all they tested there. MCQs, filling the blanks, passage for 20 marks. It is objective type. So only 15 I could make here. Just for example, 15 I downloaded and I made. Okay, first one, second one. You can please go through this. First one, because only 4 minutes left. Next is interactive session, questions and answers. If you have any doubt, I'll come back. See, match the following. Every this one they have given in 20 marks. Okay, I took only 15 because 40 papers downloading and it may not be supporting the time. So I just made for a clarity to get. Please go through this. MCQs, fill in the blanks, naming, all such objective type covered in this first 20 questions for class 8. So please go through this. And it is available on your this one. See, this time CMC has sent to us. Okay, PDF is sent to us. If anybody is not getting from class 8, you can have a look. Last year they started for class 10, same way, now 8th they have followed. You would like to see from one, you please go through this. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. One more important thing, when you ask the OR question, okay, it should be from the same lesson. The OR questions are asked from the same lesson. So choice will be from the same lesson. Students also will gain mark from the same lesson. And you know anyhow that the model paper as well as syllabus book shows how much mark allotment is there lesson wise also. And this time every year we make students only to make the question bank, which is very interesting to them. We divide the class into different groups. Question paper, that bank, to make the question paper, before that bank will be prepared by the students. It is a good activity for them. And they feel so happy that yes, our own question paper will come from our questions. There may be some grammatical error and all that we will correct, but they will make the question paper. Sets. Okay, class will be divided into, for example, 40 students are there, we will divide them into 40. 4 into 10. So 4 types of questions they will make. Objective type, map questions, long questions, and very long questions. The questions which will be prepared by them will be very, very tough. Last day for CT just I asked them to give one question from roll number I picked. Okay, 1, 10, 11, 12 like that I picked. I asked what questions they gave. You will not believe the topper in the class itself was asking, ma'am, how they could make this much tough questions. So this also shows that good involvement from the student side. First one. Second set. Third one is pie chart. Population depends upon that. That's what some questions are asked from the, because it is done from February. It is done in the February. So questions were there. We write to CBSE. That's what the information we got from higher authorities. Filling the blanks, MCQs, pie chart, naming. And eighth one is very interesting. Passage is given. Eighth question, please go through that. Extract is given. Questions are based on that. So the now question paper itself for 6th and 7th is also little tough for teachers. Last year 1 mark, 3 mark and 5 marks questions only were asked by the board for class